Hi, my name's Alan. I am the personal chef to the Duke and Duchess of Beaufort at Badminton House. Today I'm going to cook for you a beautiful summer's dish, dessert which is a roasted plum and fig dessert with a honey and yoghurt dressing. These ingredients all come from our walled garden. This year we're so blessed with a beautiful crop of figs and plums, and we're just so grateful to be able to use them in this way. Okay, so now we've chopped the plums in half and de-stoned them. Just going to put a drop of water in our pan. A little bit of sugar, just to make a simple syrup. Move that around, just dissolve the sugar. And then we're going to place our plums, flesh side down, inside the syrup, and we're just going to let those cook till they tenderize and they're a little bit caramelized as well. That'll take about 5–10 minutes. Okay, so now whilst our plums are cooking, just going to chop the figs in half. Very basic. As I said, just on the plums, you just need just a light caramelization just on the outside. And we just check our plums. Okay, so now our plums are just started to caramelize, they're just starting to get a little bit tender. Just going to put our figs in, cut side down. Just like so. And then we just pop it in the oven. A little bit of honey, just drizzled through. Just pop it in the oven. Into the top oven, the top shelf of the hot oven for about 15–20 minutes. Okay, that should be cooked now. Nice and soft, caramelized as well. So we just spoon onto our plate. Juice as well, and then we're going to just make a simple little yogurt dip. Just pour some honey into it, give it a quick swirl. It's always best not to mix the honey right through it. It's nice to have the little flecks of honey through it. So, and then we just drizzle on top. And there we have it, roasted plums and figs.